troubadour art. No one comes near my heel when I have good reason, but she kills me thus. The beautiful one to whom I belong, as if I had done wrong toward her or treachery. When I saw her, she struck my greedy heart, for it always strives for her profit, and she does me no wrong. She wishes me ill, and I know not why, except that I love her more than myself. It seems clear that she wanted to distance me from her kingdom when she made me cross the sea, for which I blame her. But I have no suspicion, for I served her with a true heart, as much as I could abundantly, and I had no reward except for a little cord. I had it one morning. I entered into her house and I kissed her stealthily on the mouth and on the chin, that I have had and nothing more, and I am completely dead if I keep more. To sigh and to weep, she makes me many a time, though I would rather be glad and sing if it were good for her. But she has a dragon's heart, for she speaks ill to me and laughs at others all around, and makes lion's eyes at me. By such a failing, she made a pilgrim of me, for never was a pilgrim of prayer more forced than I. And whoever would deny the truth of it, every man must seek his own good before an evil lord mistreats him. To embrace and to burn, she makes me like a fire does coal. When I gaze at her so clear, I see her eyes and her form, that I know no cure unless I change or turn aside from loving her. Ah, Lord, how love holds me in his prison, he who conquered Solomon and David likewise, and strong Samson, and held them in his snare, for they never had ransom until death. And since he holds me, I must remain at his mercy. To hope and to delay, she makes me like a Breton, for I never put her loving or honoring in doubt. Rather, so help me God, I left one who would have given me so rich a gift, that the good king of Aragon would have been honored by it. And so why do I become an outlaw? I assure you, when I hear good resonance of her, whole joy summons me to make a song of it. And since I love her so much and believe in her, I should never find bad faith in her. I cannot pause nor end at any time, I wish to return and go on foot stealthily between Arles and Toulouse, for there I love a little room more than to have here the Darrow, or to have the Taureau, or I belly. But brother, false, slanderous, greedy ones have stirred up a quarrel for me, and removed me from the Peire. An androgoman's neither hears nor sees me, for for he separates my dear friend from himself. To my friend Folko, I send my song there, that he may sing it in a good place for me, in the manner where joy comes and goes. May God give an evil star to him who mixed the Count of Avignon so badly with me, for which Lady Vienna does not come to me. But I turn toward Tripoli, for when the other baron hides worth, he holds it back and does not let it part from him.